Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to take a look at the top 10 male dancehall artists in Jamaica right now. As we all know, dancehall artists battle every day just to produce good music that their fans and the wider public will enjoy, as well as to stay relevant and to get views and listenership on YouTube, Spotify, or iTunes, or wherever they put the music. So it's a daily battle for them just to stay relevant. And you have many big name artists like Vybz Kartel, Alkaline, Massacre, Popcorn, and a whole of them who dominate the industry. And then you have the young bloods coming up who is always in your face, like Skeng, Valiant, Skilly, and a whole of them, you know? And you have some new one like Malidan and Raja Wild and all kind of artists emerge every day. According to YouTube music charts and insight, these are the top 10 male dancehall artists in Jamaica right now. So make we check it out. Number 10, they say, is TJ. TJ, who is also known as the Uptown Boss, has made the dancing song of the summer with his hit single Drift. Other popular songs by this DJ include People and From Rags to Riches. New Kid on the Block, Najeri, has taken over as his popularity soars with his new tracks. He is currently in the 9th position. And some of his songs which is now taking the airwaves by storm is Goon, Paddle the Boat, Panton, and Earthquake. And coming in at number 8, we have Alkaline. He has been quiet for a while and but he is back on top with songs such as Juggernaut, Pretty Girl Team, and Extra Lesson. And then at number 7, we have Vybz Kartel. And we know, for the Gaza fan, the forever worshippers of the world boss, Teacher, he is always relevant in the industry. Although he is incarcerated for the past 12 years, Vybz Kartel's influence and music are still popular in the hearts of many Jamaicans. Some of his most recent notable songs include Time Heals, which features Valiant, Perfect Summer, and The King and the Prince, featuring Skillibeng. Massacre holds the number 6 position. He is popular for songs like Suicide Note, Pain, which features Popcorn, Top Form, and Leader, featuring Dexter Daps. Halfway through the list at number 5, we have Craft God. Some people might not know him and some people wondering who is he. But some of his popular songs are Suspense, Immortal, and Giant. And then at number 4, we have Malidan. And he's known for hits like Money Time and Crook. And coming right down at number 3, we have Raja Wild. Raja Wild is a new one on the block too. And some of his popular songs are Dunce Bat, Hate You, and Another Dollar. And then at number 2, we have Valiant. And Valiant came on the scene strong with the hit single Catchy Hat. And that slang took over like wildfire. And it gained momentum in the music scene. Valiant now holds a firm position in the dancehall scene. And he's spotted among top dancehall artists all over the place. And some of his more popular songs include Dunce Check, St. Mary, and Speed Off. And then holding the number 1 spot is Chronic Law. And although he does not have a trending song right now in the top 10, currently he is widely known for his popular hit songs like I Wide Open, Legend, Corrupt, and Empty.